In this video, I am going to show you how to view top charts on Google Trends. Start by navigating to Google Trends. This is your gateway to discovering various search trends and insights. Once on the Google Trends homepage, locate the menu icon in the top left corner. This icon often looks like three horizontal lines or a grid. Click it to open the main menu. In the menu that appears, look for the Top Charts option. This section is dedicated to showcasing lists of the top trending or most searched topics across various categories. After clicking Top Charts, you'll be directed to a page filled with different categories such as actors, sport teams, books, and more. Here, you can see what's currently trending or what has been the most searched over a specific period. To refine your view between trending and most searched topics, use the drop-down menu at the top of the list. This allows you to toggle between what's gaining rapid interest and what's consistently popular. Just note that top charts are available for various countries, offering localized insights. However, it's important to note that not every top chart may be available in every country, due to differences in data availability and cultural relevance. Google Trends' Top Charts feature provides a fascinating snapshot of public interest across different domains, from entertainment to sports. Whether you're looking for inspiration, conducting research, or simply satisfying your curiosity, Top Charts offer a window into the collective interests of the moment or over the past year. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.